ഒരു പുഷ്പം മാത്രമെൻ പൂങ്കുലയിൽ നിർത്താം ഞാൻ. ഒടുവിൽ നീ എത്തുമ്പോൾ ചൂടിക്കുവാൻ ഒരു ഗാനം മാത്രമെൻ, ഒരു ഗാനം മാത്രമെൻ ഹൃദയത്തിൽ സൂക്ഷിക്കാം. ഒടുവിൽ നീ എത്തുമ്പോൾ ചെവിയിൽ മൂളാൻ. ഒരു പുഷ്പം മാത്രമെൻ പൂങ്കുലയിൽ നിർത്താം ഞാൻ. ഒടുവിൽ നീ എത്തുമ്പോൾ ചൂടിക്കുവാൻ ഒരു ഗാനം മാത്രമെൻ ഹൃദയത്തിൽ സൂക്ഷിക്കാം. ഒടുവിൽ നീ എത്തുമ്പോൾ ചെവിയിൽ മൂളാൻ. ഒരു മുറി മാത്രം തുറക്കാതെ വയ്ക്കാം ഞാൻ, അതിഗൂഢമെന്നുടെ ആരാമത്തിൽ. ഒരു മുറി മാത്രം തുറക്കാതെ വയ്ക്കാം ഞാൻ, അതിഗൂഢമെന്നുടെ ആരാമത്തിൽ. സ്വപ്നങ്ങൾ കണ്ടു, സ്വപ്നങ്ങൾ കണ്ടു നിനക്കുറങ്ങിടുവാൻ. പുഷ്പത്തിൻ തൽപ്പമങ്ങ് ഞാൻ വിരിക്കാം. ഒരു പുഷ്പം മാത്രമെൻ പൂങ്കുലയിൽ നിർത്താം ഞാൻ. ഒടുവിൽ നീ എത്തുമ്പോൾ ചൂടിക്കുവാൻ ഒരു ഗാനം മാത്രമെൻ ഹൃദയത്തിൽ സൂക്ഷിക്കാം. ഒടുവിൽ നീ എത്തുമ്പോൾ ചെവിയിൽ മൂളാൻ. Hi, I'm Lajesh, a vocalist based in Bangalore. I'm basically from Kannur, Kerala, and born and brought up in Bangalore. My parents are in Muscat. My sister and husband is in Abu Dhabi. Right now I'm alone in Bangalore. I have done my studies in Bangalore itself. Then after that, in 2006, I joined HP, then moved to GE. Right now I have taken a gap and doing my course on data science. To say about my music life, I was not a singer who started in my childhood. Okay, when I was studying in PUC, that is my pre-university college, the first PU I went for a competition where I did not get through anything, like no first prize, no second prize, no third prize, no consolation, nothing. So I thought, okay, fine, that's a start, leave it. And we got into another competition, that is next year, that is second PUC. My mom forced me to go for the competition and she suggested the song, and I learned that. I did a lot of homework on that song to get at least the third prize. Okay, so I had been for that competition and directly I got the first prize, thanks to mom. And later on, my father, he was the person to take me to all the competitions in and around Bangalore. So we go for all the competitions. I used to get third prize, first prize, second prize, lot of consolations, everything. So that was a big encouragement for me, and learned a lot from other singers too. Not only from my practice of something, there are a lot of other singers. I see others singing also. I learn from everything from their singing. Then learn from the mistakes, and I always expect suggestions from my friends, my well-wishers, so that I can learn the song properly and do well in next stage. After going for many competitions, there are a lot of judges who noticed my performance and they gave me good practice sessions and good mentoring, and they took me to a lot of stage shows for a good experience, small big stage shows, and it was a very big experience for me, and learned a lot from many singers from their celebrities, many singers. And that's how I started my music journey on stages. That is passion as well as profession. Now it is like that. And to say about my achievements in music industry, it's like the first, a lot of stages, I have covered a lot of stages, but still to pick up few, I can say the Prime Idol Award. That was kind of competition done by the corporate world, and thanks a lot to my first company HP for supporting this. And that was Prime Idol. I got 2 awards from there, that is Judges Choice as well as the Audience Choice through voting. and that was my first award. After that, I was being selected to Kairali TV reality show. That was a great opportunity for me. Got to learn a lot of things like how it happens in reality shows, facing cameras, 4 to 5 cameras in one shot. It was a great experience and got to learn a lot of things from there. That was kind of a turning point for me in my music life because after that I got good opportunities to perform in international level. After that, again, recently I did a show on Ravindra Sangeetam. It was a big show in Bangalore done by Bangalore Music Cafe. Bangalore Music Cafe is run by the director Jose Raphael, who is very good support for me for my music life. And the stage that's called Ravindra Sangeetam, which happened in Imams Convention Center, that was a big show in my life. And Ravindran Master is like how you say Ilayaraja in Tamil industry, it's like that itself in Malayalam industry. So there was a great stage recently which I did. My gurus were Jayasree Madam, Sita Lakshmi Madam, Lija Vasudevan Madam, then Guruvayur Radhakrishnan Sir. And the first stage was given by Mr. Murali, then later on a good support from Ramachandran from Ram's Music. And thanks a lot, my parents. And my best criticizer is my sister, who gives me all the mistakes what I do. More than the best thing what I do, she gives me all the wrong things what I did in the music. Then yes, I learn from that again and get into the best things. I try my best to do on stages, and sometimes it's best, sometimes a lot of mistakes, but again learning from that. I'm looking for many opportunities in film industries. Recently I did a cover song in Malayalam, and one more project is on the way, and it's going to be amazing project. Right now it is stopped due to this lockdown. We'll be coming back with that. Keep supporting, guys. Thank you so much.